So you got me trapping today, and we're just up here by jungle observation, and we already got one.
We're caught by one toast. We got to hurry up.
Yeah. Closest. There you go. Yep. There's a couple of toes there, huh?
I skated on that. That one might have been gone by the end of the day. Yeah. Got one toe in there. Yeah. That one right there. If it was a bigger dog, I bet you had something for that. Well, that's the second female. Pretty one. Yeah. That's why you try to get that crap off there.
You got lucky this time. Came took a poop on it. Just put on some more lure. See if we'll get them next time.
That shit smells pretty good, that apocalypse.
Yeah, that's what I was using back home, catching those cats.
About got the good out of it.
Yep, it's about gone.
You want some dirt?
No, I'm just going back in with I'm probably going to regret it. I'm just going to salt the heck out of it. It was pretty dry.
Here's this if you want.
Yeah, might get a little bit on top.
Nope, second catch of the day. A little possum. Hopefully we get some more. We got, I don't know, third of the sets left to check. But see you in the next one. Possum number 2. He's a little chewed up. I'm not going to show his whole body. But got another one. Got a raccoon, a foot old, and he is pissed. Looks like a nice one though.
Yeah, it's a big old coon.
Alright guys, it's another morning. Cody ran with them yesterday. I was out doing a duck hunt. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video. It should be up around the time this one's going up. Anywho, we're supposed to be getting like 3 to 8 inches of snow throughout the day today. We woke up this morning and it has been freezing rain all night. We got about 1/10 inch. The ground was warm enough that like it didn't really hit ice when it hit the ground, but everything else is icy, like the trucks and stuff. So I don't really want to follow them today at the big truck and tear up the ground, so we're going to give them the camera. Then you go run the traps, and I'm probably going to try to scout for good ducks or geese this morning. So could be a little more productive. We'll see. Hopefully they move. I think the animals would have moved pretty hard last night. It was like 30 degrees all night, and they probably felt this big storm coming through. So fingers crossed for the guys. I'm going to give them the camera, let them get on their way, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned.
Got our first one of the morning on trap number 6, I believe. It's 18 degrees this morning.
Is that Tommy? About 10?
Yeah, this will be number 10.
Muddy dog.
Yeah, we just got to our 8th trap, got another one. They're really talking this morning. Still trapping this road.
Two for the morning so far.
I think this is number 11. Another good one too.
Well, look at the furred up spot on that son.
Here's number 3 on trap number 12, I think.
13.
13.
Yeah, because that'd be 14 down there. 3 coyotes.
Yeah, that's a really pretty one.
Trail set.
That one ain't talking like the last two.
No. Trap pulling day. The last check. Picked up another one. That makes 13. Look, Tommy's all smiles.
Yeah.
A little bit of a rough go. We're down to our last few traps pulling. This is the second one of the day. Be coyote number 14. Tommy's day to shine today.
Helps when I'm the only one that's got traps left out.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're just here finishing up this last clips for the video you guys are just watched. Special thanks to Tommy and Cole who came out trapping. They did pretty good. I think they're up to 14 coyotes or something like that, and then some other raccoons and possums or whatever. But hope you guys enjoyed the short little series we had on the channel. Had a great time having them come out. If you haven't watched the previous videos, go back. I think this is number 4. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. We got some trapping videos that we've already filmed last month back when I was up in Alaska. We're just waiting on the last little bit of footage to come in to finish that series together. So that whole little mini series will be launching in a couple weeks. Martin and Wolverine trapping is pretty cool. You don't want to miss that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.